Hey! That sounds dumb. Anyway, I ordered some Continental Grand Prix 4-season wet and winter tires from Merlin Cycles, and they finally came. So, I want to open this. The way it looks, I'm assuming they just put the tires in there and didn't put the boxes it originally comes in, because it came from the UK, and I'm in the US. So, yeah. Let's open this and have a look. I know I ordered it, I think I ordered it on the 27th of October. Then it got processed through on the 28th, and it said 5-day shipping, but it didn't get here until yesterday, the 1st, so it was a little more than 5 days, but I mean, it's coming from the UK as well, so I don't want to possibly mess up the tires. That would suck. After reading the reviews, I decided to get these, because originally I was going to get the Continental Gator Skins, but these seem to be essentially the same thing with a little more tread, since it's November and winter's coming up. And the tires I have on my bike now are the stock ones, so they're the ones that are completely slick. There's enough tape on here, didn't I? There we go. And the reason here we go. Let me take a gander at this. Of course, it comes with your shipping papers. Then, as we'll see here, after I cover up my information, there we go. As you see, it's the Continental Grand Prix 4 seasons. I got the bike I have is the 700 by 25s. So the reason I got these, they were supposed to be like really puncture resistant. So like I was saying, I got it from Merlin Cycles. It says I ordered it on the 19th. Anyway, I got it here. And that's the reason I got them online, because for a pair of them, I got them for like 70 bucks. But to get them around here, even at the stores I have them, they were like 75 a piece. So, I mean, I try to buy at the bike store, but if it's like that huge of a difference, I'm like, you know, borderline broke. So, yeah. Alright. So that's kind of all there is to that. The paper, the 2 tires. I guess I can pop one of these bad boys open. But yeah, I've been wanting to get these for like a month or two, because the bike I have, I've had it for 3 months. I'm still using the original tires, and I put like 2,000 miles on it, and then wore down, and I rotated them and stuff. But actually, there's like I had a puncture in the sidewall of the stock tires. It comes with the tread, so hopefully it's really grippy. So yeah, I'm going to switch those out, put them on. See how it goes. Alright, later. I guess I can show this a little bit too. It says it's handmade in Germany. Now I'm going to put them on and go out and test them today. See how they handle. But I'm thinking this should be sidewall protection. It's got a little bit of grip. Then obviously the grip pattern will decrease over time.